Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize data analytics platforms with Looker, detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize data analytics platforms with Looker, begin by defining your business objectives. Identify the key questions you want to answer with your data. This clarity will guide your analytics efforts. Next, ensure your data is well structured and centralized. Connect Looker to your data sources, such as databases or data warehouses. Use the Looker connection settings to configure these integrations properly. Once your data is connected, create a LookML project. LookML is Looker's modeling language, allowing for customized data interpretation. Define your dimensions and measures within the LookML model. Make sure to use clear naming conventions for better understanding. Set up views that represent different tables in your database. These views will facilitate easier analysis and visualization. After modeling, create explores from your LookML views. Explores allow users to interact with the data more intuitively. Design meaningful dashboards based on the key metrics identified earlier. Incorporate visual elements like graphs and charts to enhance understanding. Utilize Looker's built-in data visualization features to create compelling visuals. Ensure that your dashboards are user-friendly and easily navigable. Incorporate filters and parameters to allow for dynamic data exploration. This flexibility enables users to tailor their analysis according to their needs. Share these dashboards with your team for collaboration and feedback. Regularly review and update your LookML models and dashboards as business needs evolve. Implement version control practices to manage changes effectively. Leverage Looker's scheduling and alert features to automate reporting. Set up alerts on key metrics to stay informed of significant changes. Lastly, invest time in training your team on Looker's features. Fostering a data-driven culture will maximize the effectiveness of your analytics efforts. Continuous optimization of your Looker environment will ensure sustained value from your data analytics platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.